Scrolling is destroying you. We use our social media 142 minutes each day. A survey says if we keep using social media like this, it would end up like 6 years and 8 months of our total life. In the recent world, there is 1.4 billion active users of social media. And in quarantine, these hours and these users has increased more and more and more. When a baby is born, the baby has a clear mind to learn. So the good inputs give good outputs and bad input gives bad output. If we don't teach a baby to calm his or her mind, the output will be restless as usual. We often give phone to babies due to eating, due to sleeping. We are poisoning our own babies. We are making their mind restless and less focused. We are giving a phone so they do not cry, they do not disturb, and we can do our housework. But no, we are poisoning our baby with a phone. When your baby is crawling or being focused with a screen, the screen that is limits his or her world. He cannot think, he cannot eat, he cannot sleep to that 4 into 4 inch screen. Do not poise your baby. Do not raise him limited into that 4 into 4 screen. Social medias are no doubt a wonderful thing to time pass, to entertain yourself and for various things. But the main problem starts from scrolling. Often we don't think on a topic with concentration and lose our interest very fast. Why is that? Get easily bored. Something new but cannot finish it, cannot reach the end line. Study says if you want to be an expert on something, you need 1000 hours to spend on it. 1000 hours, if we count in days, it will be 41.66, equivalent to 42 days. But sadly, we do not have this focus. In previous days, people had less distractions, so whatever time they get, they used it properly to learn something. Many of them found their focus and concentrate in home, silent places, hills, libraries. Resources were less, efforts were high. Isaac Newton changed the world while in quarantine from Paraguay. While quarantine was going on, he started to utilize his time and solving mathematical problems. He also analyzed color, light, and spectrum. At the end, he ended up the world-changing laws of motion. It was only possible because he utilized his time, he divided his time and focused on something. We all know the story about apple falling from the tree. Game-changing part was the concentration, the focus, not the distraction. So what are you doing? Stop scrolling. Whenever you are going through social media posts, scroll and read the post, read and see the post. What are they about? Don't scroll because you are bored. Don't scroll because you are frustrated on something. Don't scroll because you cannot focus. Our mind jumps from one to another. We cannot focus in one thing if we keep scrolling from one to another. Sometimes we don't even see what's the post about. We are just looking at this, staring at it, and this is very harmful for our brain. Our brain doesn't learn to stick on something. Often you let your creativity just because of lack of hard work, shyness. Are still working with concentration are the people you are scrolling on your newsfeed. In social media, we keep scrolling for stupid things. We keep sharing and promoting nonsense things, but we do not promote creativity. We do not promote art, music, or anything else. If someone's doing something creative, just promote it. Just focus on it, read on it. Then you will gain energy from it to create something very new. Before, in board time, people used to think for something new. People used to think from their past. People used to think about their mistakes. People used to think what they should do. The main problem is we don't think, so we cannot create. We hate, but we cannot create. Just think, just focus on something. Concentration will never stick on a line, and then you will be demoralized all the time. So stop scrolling. Don't make yourself get distracted. Make the perfect use of time, and time will return you back. Think in a straight line. Do not jump from this to that, that to this. Remember that you can be jack of all but master of none. To become a master, you need to focus that 1,000 hours perfectly.